Hey guys, what's up? It's Bailey. Welcome back to my channel. I forgot my name for a second. And welcome back to another vlog. So I just hung up some lights, but I didn't realize that one side like completely didn't have lights. So like it's really nice and vibey and boom. No lights. So I'm gonna like redo it, but they were up there and I didn't notice until I came off of my desk. So I think I'm gonna wait until I can ask somebody to help me, or at least stand behind me in case I fall off of my desk, because the desk was very, very shaky. I feel like I mentioned a couple vlogs ago that I want to get a dog. So I thought it would be fun in this vlog to budget for that dog right now by going shopping for him. He doesn't exist. I don't know his name. I don't know what he looks like, but we can go shopping for him. You want to do it? Yep. If you do want to do it, keep watching. If you don't want to do it, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow or never. I don't know. But we're gonna go shopping for my dog. Before we go shopping for my dog though, I need to finish cleaning my room. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so I found these things, and if you watched my Target haul vlog, you know I got like a little like good vibes sign. I think I put it in my closet, yeah. This one. So I was thinking about putting it up right now. Thoughts? I feel like I should. Remove before use. How do I? Oh, like that. Okay. I'm gonna go put it up. I'll show you guys when I'm done. We do be vibing. We do be vibing. I can't help but feel like this is gonna fall. Because to be honest with you, it's not taped up very well. But it's plugged in and it's looking good. I'm in love with it. I ordered Jimmy John's. And also I'm vlogging at work on my camera. Anyways, I ordered Jimmy John's. And I ordered a chocolate chip cookie. This is what they gave me. Jimmy John's, we have beef now, okay? We have beef. Should I try it? It smells really good. Maybe I'll eat around the raisins. Okay, so I got distracted while going shopping for my non-existent dog. But let me show you what I picked out so far. I'm 100% getting my dog this. 100%. And this, I want him to look like a little old man, to be completely honest with you. I also really want to get him this expensive bed, but look how much it is. So, I don't know, but he deserves the best. These bowls are just like too freaking cute. Okay, so backstory. My dog has a hedgehog, so I thought I would get my dog like a little like chipmunk or like a squirrel or something, you know? And obviously, Baby Yoda. Okay, I'm at work and my camera's dying. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.